Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from your Arculus wallet to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your crypto for trading, staking, or just better security, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, and knowing how to handle transfers is essential in the evolving crypto world. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's fully set up with your Solana holdings. If you're new to Arculus, it's a secure hardware wallet that keeps your assets protected. Open the app and log in using your authentication method, like your PIN or biometric verification. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Solana token from your list of assets. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough Solana to cover the transfer amount plus any network fees. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button to start the process. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the Solana deposit address. Paste that address into the Arculus app, then input the amount of Solana you want to send. Be precise. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify everything twice. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including the network fees. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Once you're satisfied, hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often in seconds to minutes. Once it's complete, check your Gemini account to confirm the Solana has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Solana from Arculus to Gemini. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to avoid scams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.